Hi, I'm Brian from Simply Brian Enterprises, and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be starting some new homework lessons, this following along with TopTechBoy's Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi programming series. In case you missed it, Paul has just started a new series on the Uno R4 Wi-Fi, and if you are interested in following along, I'll be sure to drop a link below. The Uno R4 Wi-Fi came out earlier this summer of 2023. And if you go back in my history, you'll see I did an unboxing video. I'll link that below as well. Just talking a little bit about it. And there's been some good videos out there since, because it is a new platform for Arduino and there's a lot of excitement around it, especially the fact that it can do Wi-Fi. It has the built-in LED display, or the LED matrix rather. It has a real-time clock and a whole bunch of things that Arduino enthusiasts have been wanting for a long time. So it really is an impressive piece of hardware. And so to kick things off, I know some of you are new. You haven't been watching my other videos on Pi and Pico. And I just want to show off what I call the playground. This is my sort of collaboration of different microcontrollers, all powered from a Raspberry Pi. So I've got all the compute power in this Raspberry Pi. I've got a USB hub kind of out of shot here. And you can see my Arduino Uno R4 Wi-Fi is up and running. I also have an ESP32, a standard Pico, and a Pico W. And actually kind of see that my Pico W is working on some Pico W homework. And the Arduino is running just a simple Blink program. So if we come to the Pi, this is my development environment. I've got this kind of background of this sort of playground wheel thing. And of course, we always bring our Arduinos and our Pis to the playground. So that's my background image of my development environment. And for this class, at least starting off, I'm going to be using the Arduino IDE 1.8.13. I do have 2.0 installed. If I have to switch to 2.0, I will, but I'd really prefer not to. The fact that 1.8.13 does support the Arduino Uno R4 series, both the Minima and the Wi-Fi, I would much prefer to use this as long as the software allows it. So to get started with our homework, we've got a simple program here. All we're doing is blinking an LED on and off, blink it on, wait 1500 milliseconds, blink it off. You know, this is standard Arduino 101. Now, of course, our assignment was Paul asking us to blink it as fast as we can and find out what that limit is where we stop seeing it blink and just start seeing it solid on. So I'm going to throw a different delay in here. I'm going to move it from 1500 to 150 and not quickly compile that. And we'll watch the Uno R4 Wi-Fi get the code, and obviously 150 milliseconds, we can see a good steady blink. So now let's try, you can't see it here. Let me flip back. Stop using that mouse. There we go. Where's my mouse? There we go. So I'm going to drop this down from 150 milliseconds to 15 milliseconds and compile again. And let's see what we get as a result. The camera shows a little bit of flicker. It's harder to see. With my own two eyes, I can see it flickering on and off at 15 milliseconds. The camera can't quite catch it. And I've gone through some different values. I don't want to compile everything on camera. It's kind of slow. But I've gone through a few different values, and I found that 15 milliseconds gives me enough of a blink that I can see it clearly. If I start to drop 14, 13 milliseconds, it becomes more steady. So I'm going to go with the answer of 15 milliseconds is the fastest we can get a blink that still looks like a blink. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I appreciate you stopping by. Be sure to hit like and subscribe below. And I look forward to producing more Arduino homework videos in the future. For Simply Brian Enterprises, I'm Brian. Thank you for watching.